Hey everyone, welcome back to Beauty Beyond 40. If you're new here, my name is Trina and I make videos about beauty devices, and today I'm just in my living room doing a quick tutorial because honestly it's the weekend and I didn't have the energy to get all set up in the studio. Today's video is highly requested. I'm really excited to make it. I'm gonna do a tutorial on how to use these alligator clips to do a sheet mask microcurrent facial with the Myolift microcurrent device. My face is a little bit red. I don't have any makeup on, but it's a little bit red because I've already done the neuro laser. I've already done LED on my face and neck. I just finished my NUA radio frequency device. So this is the last step in my beauty device routine when I'm doing everything all in one day. Sometimes I like to just do the sheet mask treatment because I can just lay back and it's passive and I don't have to move a device across my face. I'll still get all the benefits of microcurrent by doing this facial. Let me tell you everything you're gonna need. You'll need to get these alligator clips from the 7E Wellness site. I will leave a link. I'm gonna be using the original Myolift Mini device, and you just plug in the cord, the USB cord, into the back of the device, and you plug in the cord that has these prongs that you would plug into the eye mask or the lip mask that some of you may have. All you do is you take these prongs and you plug it right into the alligator clips. They're very snug, so you just have to work them in, and then you plug in the other one here. And then I grabbed a sheet mask, Famu, I believe, and this is a Korean mask, and it's Dream Glow Mask for plumping and firming. And when I pick a sheet mask, I pick one that has low oil content, because if you have too much oil, then the device is not going to conduct. You're not gonna get conduction. So I checked the ingredients really quickly. This one has there is a little bit of oil, but it's low on the ingredient list, so I always check that. And the great thing about the Myolift Mini is that there's always an indicator bar to let you know if you have conduction, so you don't have to worry about that. So if you have different sheet masks, you can test them out and see if they're working. Then I have a pair of scissors so that I can cut the mask down the middle. When you clip it onto the mask, the current is running on one side and on the other side. So that's what I'm gonna do. I ordered this off Amazon, this silicone mask to hold the sheet mask in place and to hold the clips in place so that I can get conduction. And I think that's gonna be key, because when I didn't have this mask, I had to hold the clips against my face to get conduction, and then it wasn't very relaxing. So let's give this a try. So I'm gonna open up my sheet mask here, and I'm gonna cut it in half. And keep a towel nearby, or like a paper towel or a towel, because my sheet masks are always dripping in serum, and so it gets really messy. So it's good to have a towel or a paper towel that you can wipe your hands down with. And yes, I have all this hormonal acne and maskne that I've been dealing with, and microcurrent helps with acne. So I never want to skip the microcurrent part of my beauty device routine to help clear up some of that acne. Any leftover serum I like to put like on my neck or on my arms. Never waste the serum. It's really good for your skin. Oh, it's very messy, you guys. It's very difficult to work with these sheet masks when you cut them in half, because they're very, very messy and saturated with serum. Feels so, so good on my dried out skin. Okay. And this sheet mask is made with biocellulose material, so it's a little bit more grippy on my face, which helps when you're trying to set this up. This is the first time I'm using this wraparound silicone mask, so bear with me here. Cool, this is awesome. I think what I'm gonna try to do is place the alligator clips on. I'm gonna do it right here on the side. And I'm using the flat side down. So see how there's a side that goes up? I'm using the flat side down against my skin. And I'm just gonna place it right on the sheet mask. I'm placing it right on the sheet mask like this, and I drape it across my ear so it doesn't fall. And then I'll take the other side, same thing. I take the flat side here, and I'm gonna clip that in right above my ear so that I can drape the cord over my ear so it doesn't fall. And then I'm gonna place the silicone mask to hold the sheet mask in place. Ooh. Oh my God, the things we do for beauty, you guys. And now, oh my goodness. I like to show like the reality of doing these the first time, because it's always a little clumsy the first time that you're using these. Okay, I've got it all set up. Now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna do like 15 minutes of erase and 15 minutes of educate. So you push the button to turn it on. So when I put it on level 1, I have conductivity right away. So let me see if I can do level 2 erase. 350, I'm not getting conduction, so I'm gonna go back to level 1 and I'm gonna crank up the intensity as high as I can and just see, okay, I start to lose conduction. That's so interesting. I'm losing it. Okay, I'm gonna put it back down. Nope. So you can see here I have conduction and it's on level 1 erase and I can taste the metallic in my mouth, so I know it's working. But I really feel like I wanna try to work to perfect this so I can get a higher intensity. And I wanna work on getting the sheet mask to lay on my skin a little bit more uniformly. This is the first time that I'm using this silicone wraparound mask, so it's a little bit tricky to get perfect the first time. I definitely can feel it. So I'm gonna sit back and watch some TV and let this go for 15 minutes and then I'm gonna switch to educate mode. So I will be back in 15. Okay, so the 15 minutes are up on erase mode. I'm gonna switch to educate mode. I'm gonna hit level 1 educate and I'm gonna hit run. And I definitely have conduction. I can actually see the current pulsating on the mask, which you normally see when you wear the eye mask. So it's really cool to see that since I know that it's working. And also the conductivity bar is solid. So there's just a couple things you can do to check to make sure that it's working on your end. I'm gonna try to do level 2 educate. And you can see here I don't get conduction. So I'm gonna stick with level 1 educate. Conduction is back. Now I'm gonna do 15 minutes on the timer and I'm running and I've got educate mode is working for 15 minutes. So I will see you in 15. Okay, so the 15 minutes of educate are up. So I'm going to take the mask off. I'm gonna remove the clips and then I'm just gonna take the mask off. And my skin feels so hydrated. It feels invigorated. I'm gonna leave the serum on my skin. I'm just gonna press it in, work it into my skin. Whenever you do a sheet mask, it's really just a delivery mechanism for serum. So I definitely keep the serum on my skin. It's not like a gel that you have to wash off. So that is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. If you found it helpful, leave a like, comment below, share with a friend, and make sure to subscribe to my channel so you don't miss my next video. Bye.